मेरी जमीन आसमां मेरे पापा, मैं हूँ जहाँ है वहाँ मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा। तुम सांसों की सांस हो, शाम शहर मेरे पास हो, जहाँ मेरे आंसू भी ढले, वही मुझे हंस के मिले मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा। Hello guys, this is Deepak Mahapatra and today is Father's Day, right? So I thought, should I make any video on Father's Day on dedicated to my father? You know what guys, you can't celebrate a single day for your parents, for your father or mother, like your parents, right? We the people are forgetting about, they are the root of our family, of our life. But what we do, what we are doing, we don't have time for them, right? You know what guys, if you have your parents with you, then you are so lucky. You don't know, you don't understand even now. You'll understand when they left you, or when some problem will occur and you will miss them so much badly. You know why? Because I feel that pain. Because when I was in my childhood, I lost my father, right? So whenever I miss him, I don't have any photos with him or any kind of talk with him, because I was so small. I was a child at the time, 3 months old at that time. That's why I'm telling you, don't waste your time for unnecessary drama in your life. Just do spend your life for your parents, for your father, for your mother, for your sister, for your brother, because you don't know tomorrow what will happen with your life or what will happen with your family, because they are the real gems you are ever have in your life. Don't waste irrelevant time on those stuffs, those unnecessary unvaluable things. I don't want to emotional myself. I don't want to emotional myself. Yeah. So what I want to tell you is, just do spend some time, because they need you. They don't need you. We need them, but we don't understand now. You know why? Because when you are in your childhood, you don't know anything. That time they are the one who tell you that what is right and what is not. They tell you how to take a spoon in your hand, how to hold a spoon in your hand, because we don't know anything. But now when they are asking about how to operate WhatsApp or some kind of social media, and we people will like, you don't know anything. Shit, is this the way we should talk to our family or to our parents? No guys, we also don't know anything. We just know 1% or 2% of thing. They have seen the 60% of their life, and they sacrifice their dreams, their life, to build our life. So we can't be so selfish, right? We should love them, because it's our responsibility. They are the love of our life. They are the first and last love of our life. Everything is temporary, but your parents' love is permanent. So don't waste your time by fake love, by wasting in fake love or something like some kind of things, because they are the real gems. And don't be a fool who who are losing their gems, like they don't know what the value of the parents, because they are priceless. You will not understand, but you will understand when they will left you, when they have gone. and you can't find them. Life is so unpredictable. You even don't know whether I am coming tomorrow or not. So that's why enjoy every moment of your life. Spend some time with your parents. They need you. We need them. Show some love and care to them. They will be happy, and when they are happy, they will bless you like anything. Even though you are not doing anything, they are also blessing you. But still, it's our responsibility. In this time, we should make each other to support them. You know what, guys? There's a dialogue from my favorite film, actually, Bhagwan. There, one dialogue is there. माँ बाप पेड़ की जड़ की तरह होते हैं. That's true. Our life is nothing without them. They are the root of our life. If the root is not there, then we are just worthless. We don't have any value. No one will see your value, because they are the one who knows that yes, my son, my daughter will one day make a wonder in this whole society. They will feel proud. So don't embarrass them. Please, it's my kindly request. And today's video is all about, please respect your family, respect your parents. It's not about celebrate one day and the whole 364 days we don't care what they are doing or something else. Our 365 days should be for them, because they give their whole life for us. 365 days is just a matter of fact, nothing else. Matter of things, right? All those things are temporary, but they are rare gems which we have in our life. Please, it's my life experience, so that's why I'm sharing with you all. You know what, guys? Even though I lost my father, I always feel that he is alive in my heart. Yes, he is alive. Every time when I am in trouble or something, he's like present in my shadow, like a shadow. Whenever I need him, whenever I need, like, I cried a lot whenever I see something post about father or something about related to father. But still, I can't do anything. Even you know what, guys? When I didn't call even Papa also, because I was too small at that time, 3 months old. You can even imagine. So nothing else. I don't want to make any lengthy video here. I just want to share with you all that please give some time there. If they don't understand one thing, then do keep patience, right? You don't know anything when you are a child, and they taught you like how to hold a spoon, how to ride a bicycle, how to write a letter. So it's a small thing to learn about them, to know what about them, the WhatsApp or social media kind of thing. Don't be so impatient, because if you are not listening to them, you are becoming worthless day by day. Nothing else. This is what I want to share with you all today. I'm so sorry if I give some extra value, but still this is my work, that I have to share some valuable things to you. And happy Father's Day to all of you, to all your fathers, to all of your fathers. And I hope I have shared something valuable to you. And also, okay, this is Deepak Mahapatra signing on from today's session. Bye bye, have a nice day.